Alright, well, 40 is working good. 80 was okay, but 40 is really working. And what I've done is I've just tuned the tuner itself. Um, this tuner has the floating, what do you call it? Let's see, we're completely flat. I'm just doing 20 watts. It has a floating chassis where the input goes into a one-to-one balance in the beginning on all modes. So I think it really lets the RF rest above ground. I think also by using this, it kind of helps with the RFI. But anyway, I seem to be having issues with the radio. When the radio would tune it would tune it fine, but then it seemed like there was other issues. So anyway, let's see what we got right here. Look at 40. 40 is really good into, looks like Asia, in some parts of Australia, and obviously all over the East Coast. We can see that here. I should probably get in here and look. What the hell? The radio just restarted itself. Okay. Well, we just made a contact with Japan. Isn't that how lame this is? Alright, I'll just click OK. I should be able to just click look up. And then you should be able to go to QRZ. Why does it got WW something? That isn't who I just worked. So it does this weird crap here. See this? It just did the WW80. Well, why would I even want that? I click look up. It does that whoever's on the line when you click look up, I guess. What in the hell? Oh my god. This thing is being goofy. Alright, so here we go with the call finally went through. It was copying and pasting like two different things. It seems like it is not my day. Now, this is what QRZ does every once in a while. It screws up. You see, I clicked to log the call, and it went straight to my logbook instead. And I'll click in here. I can see where I've already had him in there. I'll click it, and I go back to here, and it probably will do the same thing twice. Oh no, it worked that time. Thank God. But a lot of times it just keeps going back to the logbook, and it won't lag the contact. And what you actually have to do, refresh QRZ, manually type in the call sign in the search box, and then it'll work. It does that all the time. I just can't believe it could be like this difficult to get this radio to work. Like, I mean, I tried everything, and then it ended up, I think, being a combination of things. RF, and also COM port 1, which isn't even one of the COM ports for this, but it has something to do with the fact that these two COM ports are virtual COM ports. So anyway, it seems to be working pretty good now, and I've manually tuned a couple of different bands, and I haven't had any problems, so it looks like it's working. So what I'll do is I'll probably like go ahead and try it, like I'll go up to the next band. I'll go up to 30. And I'm going to go in and retune the entire thing. How could that possibly be for that band? So, I'll try this band and see if it works without issues. I think the biggest thing with like any of this crap is that you get RF into the USB cable somehow, and it causes all sorts of weird stuff to happen. You get RF into the computer, weird stuff starts to happen. That's why I really don't care for these type of modes when the cables and stuff are really close by, and like when you have like tons of wires back here and stuff, it just seems like very unpredictable behavior sometimes. But anyway, after wasting a lot of time tonight, I do have it working.